Hello everyone, I am Ashtar Tashi. I welcome you all to the spring edition of the Goddess Readings. I am sure you have all welcomed the season of spring with a lot of joy and a lot of happiness, because that's what spring does to us. We can actually bring into our lives the light and literally the colors of the blossoms in this season of spring. Let's see what messages the goddesses have for us this fortnight. Amazing. Ostara, the goddess of fertility. Those of us who have seen the last fortnight's reading will remember that Ostara has been with us just last fortnight as well. Now, what is she trying to say again here? That the season of spring is finally upon us, and how? The season of fertility is right here. So if you haven't really started putting all your thoughts, all your creative ideas into birthing, there is still time right here, right now. Go out there and explore whatever new ideas you have. What are you waiting for? So the message from Ostara here is that those of you who are still questioning your own creativity, your own ability to create, well, stop right now. Because if there is any good time to go ahead and give a push or an impetus to your creative work, this is that time. The very fact that she has appeared for the second time in a row in 2 fortnights simultaneously is, I think, a sign enough. Talking of signs, Ostara is also now going to show you signs of new birthing around you. Suddenly, you might just start spotting pregnant women around you. That is just the universe's way of telling you that, see, new things are happening. New births are going to take place. So why aren't you giving birth to new conditions? Why am I insisting on this message? Is that sometimes I notice that people do not have faith and conviction in their own dreams. Ostara here wants us to start believing in ourselves and our creative abilities. Look out for signs like butterflies, like feathers, like birds all around, or suddenly noticing a bud blooming into a flower. Those are all your signs that you are so ready to take that step forward and make that positive shift. So just go out there and do what you need to do right now. The second card for this fortnight is Goddess Ishtar. Ishtar is the goddess of boundaries. Interpreted correctly, Ostara and Ishtar go hand in hand. How is that possible? Is that on one hand we have Ostara telling us that go out there and explore your creativity, give birth to new conditions, enjoy the energies of spring, make your thoughts fertile. And Ishtar gives more importance to that thought by telling us that do not let any boundaries stop you from any of your explorations. On one hand, Ishtar would say that draw your boundaries. We've heard that before. But today she says that let go of your boundaries when it comes to creative thinking. So do not think that you are not going to be able to achieve something. If you let go of your boundaries, boundaries of your mind, boundaries of your resistance, if you let go of these kind of boundaries, then you are bound to succeed. And therefore, if you look at message from Ostara and combine it with the message from Ishtar, you will understand this story better. Beautiful card, the goddess Damara. She is the goddess of children. Now, I think this is a beautiful reading for the beginning of spring for us. I'll tell you how. So, Damara, being the goddess of children, has many more ways of speaking to us. So, one essential message when Damara appears is that being spring and letting go of your boundaries, this is the perfect time. This fortnight is the perfect time for you to start playing with your inner child. How beautiful is that? So you can go within and do everything that your inner child wishes to do. So how small children, when they want to go out there and play and make merry, they don't think too much. They just go out there and play, right? They want to draw, or they want to color, or they just want to make new friends. They just go out there and do it without questioning and without self-doubt. So they play with their inner beingness. And that is the message from Damara for you. Just go within and touch base with who your inner child is. Let go of your worries. This spring season, just go out there and blossom. So what is the final message as a culmination from the three goddesses? Ostara wants you to go out there and explore your potentials. Make your mind a fertile ground, as it happens in spring, for new ideas to blossom. Do all that you feel like doing, which is creative, right? Ishtar wants you not to keep any boundaries around you this time around, and just go out there and do whatever it takes without any fear, without any hesitation. Do not resist. Just explore without boundaries. And Damara, being the goddess of children, wants you to touch yourself within. Get in touch with your inner child. Find your gentler side. Also play with children. So connect with the child energy around you and within you. I wish you all the spring and the joy in your heart. Blossom from within and enjoy the season of color and light. Keep shining. Namaste.